What's up, LEGO fans? It's Whittick Bricks here, and today I have another LEGO Hobbit set for you guys. This is set number 79002, recommended for ages 8 to 14, has 400 pieces, and the name of the set is Attack of the Wargs. Now, if you count the 2 wolves that you get with this set, you get, in total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 characters, counting the wolves. So let's start out by looking at the wolves, and, I just want to say I think I like the movements that LEGO, or the designers of this LEGO set, added with the wolves, the way that they're able to open the jaw and adjust the head up and down on both of these, and also to the fact that you can remove these saddles and place in these blocks so that you can make them just like normal wargs instead of putting characters on there. But either way, they're still cool. And then we get a lot of characters back here. You can see we get 2 goblins, and then, which actually 3 goblins, but this one is the leader, Yaznag, and then we get Thorn Oakenshield, and then I believe this is Balin, or Biffer. I'm not sure how to say that, but Biffer, I think it is. All of these characters have double-sided faces, but I don't think I'm going to have time to go through all of these and show all the differences and everything through them. However, just wanted to point out this should be Azog, because if you have seen, which I don't want to spoil anything, but if you've seen The Hobbit, An Unexpected Journey, it is indeed Azog that's riding the White Dwarf. So or the White War, excuse me. I just think that should be Azog. Now let's start out by looking at some of the smaller things. Now these fires, if you've seen the movie, they shoot from the tree. Now contraptions come with these so that you can represent fire hitting the ground and shooting up fire, and you get 2 of those. They look really nice. I like the way they're built up. And then next is this entire section. Does it look like one? Yes, it does. Can it come apart? Yes, and it can now be 2 things connected by that black axle in the middle. And then you can place a warg, which, again, it should be Azog, but you can put Yaznag on that and ride him up like he's going to fight Thorn Oakenshield. So that looks really cool, and I like the way that it separates. Very detailed, very, very thought of when they built it. But yeah, this is a little bit dusty from where I've had it for a while, but I think I really like it. And then over here, we get a place where the orc can shoot the cannonballs, and if you just remove one of these gray cylinder pieces, you can place it in here and easily fire it. Just kind of hard to do. There we go. But yeah, that works out nicely, and again, I like the way that separates. So now moving on to the main part of the set, which is this entire tree, really big, very massive, and it has a lot of room on it. I did want to point out, this really reminds me of the Ewok village, built out of Lego from Star Wars, if you guys have seen that before. But yeah, they're just really, really close thing. Now down here at the bottom, we get a lot of detail. You can see we get some mushrooms over here, and then we get a little green plant here. This entire section is built up using these slanted pieces here, and then some bigger slanted pieces, and then we get some brown cylinders. Back of it is flat and kind of represents a cave, so that you can take one of these fire things, place it right here on the back. And then we also get a gold nugget on the back, so I like the way that's done. And like I said, you can represent that these would be fired from the tree, and it would kind of blow up these. You can. However, I do not like the fact that they put these red knobs on the back of the tree, and they do that so that it represents an action feature and so that you can shoot them out. But I just don't like the way it blends in with everything else. Here's what it's supposed to look like. And then you get a different blue color. I don't know why they have that there, but they do. And there you go. The other 2, however, do not shoot. They just sit there to represent the cones that are being thrown from the tree. But yeah, I like the way this is built up. Now, if you want to have this tree at different angles, so that when you place characters here or here, you can twist the entire tree around. All you have to do is just adjust these plates, and it easily moves. So that is all for today's video. Be sure to like this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.